Travel is an important part of human interaction. People like to travel to far off distances to meet their friends and relatives. Sometimes they do so in order to get some work done. So in this video, we will study about the various means of transport. But before that, we should know what is transport. Transport refers to the system that facilitates physical movement of goods as well as individuals from one place to another. There are several means of transport available to us. If we have to travel by road from one place to another, then we choose land transport. And if we want to travel in water, we can go out by ship or boats. We can also travel by air in aeroplanes or helicopters. Land transport. It means the transport or physical movement of goods, animals or people from one place to another on land. Land transport can be roadways and railways. Roads are the most convenient and relatively cheaper mode of transport as compared to other modes. It is a flexible mode of transport as loading and unloading is possible at any destination. It provides door-to-door services. Goods can be taken right up to the market or factory. Roads can be built anywhere, even on high mountains. But there are many disadvantages of the roadways. Due to limited carrying capacity, road transport is not economical for long-distance transportation of goods. It can be affected by adverse weather conditions, floods, landslides, etc. Sometimes create obstructions to road transport. India has a large network of roads. There are two types of roads in India, Kacha road and Pakka road. Kacha road or unmetalled road is a dirt track made up of mud, while Pakka or metal road is made up of tar and gravel. Pakka or metal roads are of three types: national highways, expressways or freeways, golden quadrilateral. National highways. The state capitals and important cities are connected to each other by national highways. Expressways or freeways. It is a highway with separated lanes. Traffic does not stop in freeways. Interchanges are used to enter and exit freeways. Golden quadrilateral. It links all the metro cities of India like Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi and Kolkata. Apart from that, there are various state highways that connects the major important cities. The first railway line in India was built in 1853. Since then, the railway network in India has expanded to become the fourth largest in the world and one of the largest in Asia. All important cities of India are connected with one another by railways. Trains are cheaper, more comfortable and faster than road transport. There are various types of trains in India. Few of them are express and superfast that connects places which are very far off. Local trains take people from one place to another if places are relatively near. Good trains contains wagons with no windows and carry goods from one place to another. Metro trains. They are very fast and do not cause air pollution. Air transport. It is the fastest mode of transport. It carries goods and passengers through airways by using different aircrafts like passenger aircraft, cargo aircraft, helicopters, etc. Aeroplane is the fastest mode of travel. Some aircrafts travel faster than the speed of sound. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport and also the most expensive. The journey by air from New Delhi to Chennai takes only 2.5 hours, although it takes more than 36 hours by train. It is very useful in transporting the goods and passengers to the area which are not accessible by any other means, as aeroplanes can fly over any territory. Over high mountains or vast desert. They are used to transport mail, perishable food items such as fresh fruits and vegetables and other goods quickly to far off places. Air transport is very useful during the times of natural calamities such as floods, earthquakes. Helicopters are very useful in these situations. They can land where aeroplanes cannot. They are used to transport food, medicines, and other items in these situations. There are some disadvantages as well. It is relatively more expensive mode of transport. It is not suitable for short distance travel, and it is affected by adverse weather conditions. In case of accident, it results in heavy losses of goods, property, and life. Water transport. Water transport refers to the movement of goods and passengers on waterways by using various means like boats, steamers, ships, etc. There are two types of water transport: inland water transport and ocean transport. Let's study about the advantages and disadvantages of water transport. It is relatively economical mode of transport for bulky and heavy goods. It promotes international trade. The cost of maintenance and constructing route is very low as most of them are naturally made. But there are some disadvantages also. It is slow moving mode of transport and therefore not suitable for transportation of perishable goods. Ocean transport requires large investment on ships and their maintenance. But still, waterways are an important mode of transportation and they should be developed even further. Thanks for watching.